enjoy Nathan has well in his music. It's very soothing and calming, and that's wonderful to get still and quiet. I invite you to sit upright as is comfortable for your body, and let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And let your body relax. We put aside all cares and concerns. We can always pick those up again later. This is a time to practice. Practice being in that place of the observer, staying conscious, aware. And if thoughts of concerns come to mind, we just let them pass through. We move our attention to our focus in this guided meditation. So let's assist our body in relaxing by sending the message to every muscle. Relax. Relax. Imagine that your muscles are listening to you, because they are. This is your body. You, the consciousness, lives in this body. It's an amazing body you have. Trillions of cells in your body right now, communicating with each other. Isn't that amazing? Trillions. Interacting, communicating. The intelligence that's happening in your body right now. And you are the one in charge. This is your body. And so we send the message to our feet, our legs. Relax, relax. We let our abdomen and stomach relax. We relax the chest and the back, the arms, the shoulders, the hands. We let go. We let go. You can feel the subtle sensation as your body goes, I relax. Relax our neck, the front, the back, the sides. Bring awareness into the jaw, relaxing the jaw, the cheeks, the eyes, the nose, the lips, the tongue, the ears, the forehead, the scalp. Letting go, 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 letting go. I'd like you to practice this letting go exercise with me. One of the challenges people sometimes have with the idea of letting go is they feel like, if I let go, then what am I letting go to? And that's where we remember that everywhere present within us, around us, expressing as us, is this presence and activity, this spirit, that as you're letting go, you're actually balanced. You're in balance because there's this universe that's always unfolding and expressing. You're just letting go of hanging on. It's like being in water, if you relax and let yourself float, you're supported by the river, by the water. So as you relax and let go, you're supported by the ocean of spirit, ever present. So when you let go, you're letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. As I let go of my cares and concerns, there is a river, a presence of spirit that's at work. And I trust the activity. Regarding my body, whatever's of concern to my body, I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. If there's any concern about money, finances, I let that go right now. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. I'm trusting this presence and activity flowing through me in my life, every area of my life. I'm letting go with balance. Regarding relationships, partners, spouses, children, grandchildren, neighbors, friends, others, I'm letting go with balance. I trust the activity of Spirit working in each one of them. I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. What is a specific concern that you may be carrying around? Let us join together in letting go. I let go of, fill in the blank. You can always pick it up later. I let go of, I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. Say that with me one time together. I'm letting go with balance. Good. Regarding the world, other countries, other leaders, the community, the environment, I'm letting go with balance. I'm letting go with balance. Releasing the burdens of trying to solve everything myself. Come unto me, all those of you who are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Rest. Rest in the quiet for a moment. Enjoying letting go. And now that we've released our hold on things, we trust that God is able. The universe is able. Spirit is able. Spirit is able to heal, renew, to restore our body to wholeness and perfection. Spirit is able to guide and direct us to whatever it is we need to restore peace in our body. God is able. Spirit is able. Spirit is able to unfold abundance in our life, to provide us whatever we need when we need it. Spirit is able. Spirit is able. The universe is able. Spirit is able to take care of our loved ones, to guide and direct our loved ones, to inspire them, to strengthen them, to comfort them. Spirit is able. Spirit is able. Spirit is able. The universe is able to resolve anything that concerns me. Spirit is able to bring it to perfection, to provide the answers, to work everything together for good. Spirit is able. God is able. God is able. God is able. Spirit is able to work through all of nature, to work through every soul on the planet, to inspire love, peace, harmony, joy in the hearts of all souls. Spirit is able to provide solutions to the environment, to heal the environment. Spirit is able, through people, to bring forth peace, cooperation, harmony and abundance for all. A world that works for everyone. Let's go into the silence now, knowing God is able. Spirit is able. And now I'd like to invite you to be an instrument through which healing energy flows. I love that sound of Om, which means Amen. It's the great sages tell us it's the creative sound of the universe. And I invite you to rub the palms of your hands together. And we're going to hold the palms up and we're going to chant that sound of Om, or if you prefer God or Spirit, whatever you want to chant, fine. We'll do that 3 times. Feel the energy flowing through you out to all people everywhere. Peace. Amen. We bring our awareness now back to the room where we are, back to our physical body. We hear the sounds around us. We move toes, fingers, feel the chair beneath us, and we allow this new consciousness to come into our life, to let God be God in and through us in our life in a new way. And so it is. Amen.